Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel ProgTech, and today we will learn about our new topic, and our new topic is the PHP OOP. Now here is the question, what is the OOP? OOP is basically the object oriented programming, meaning that in this we create an object for our certain class. But here is the question, that why we use the OOP, what is OOP, why we need the OOP, and when we code in a simple procedural programming that is based on the procedure or in our function, that is the very slow, and in this the code is lengthy. Why the code is lengthy? Because we don't have anything that make our code reusable. But in the OOP we have to create the class, and this class we make it inherit to an other class, and then we can also use the function of that class, and when we need at different places again and again. In this way it is very it gives us the easy method to solve our programming logics or the problem. Object oriented program is about creating object that contain the both function data and the function. Mean that in this OOP we have to create the class, and the class have both our methods, mean that our functions, properties, each and everything of our code. And why the purpose of the OOP, why we used it? OOP is faster and easier to execute. It is the clear structure for the program. And here is the main thing, why we prefer the OOP. OOP help us to make our code easily modify and to easily maintain. And it's called the dry. Don't repeat yourself. Mean that in the OOP we don't repeat the code, meaning that if we form the function of the addition in our class, then we can use this function again and again in our code when we want addition at any place. Then we use this function. That's why we prefer the OOP. Who make it possible fully usable application with less code and short development. Means that by the help of OOP, our code is now become the smaller and smaller, and means that we create the function, these functions used again and again. In this way it's make our code smaller, and it is easier to and faster execute. Why it is faster? Because when is our code is shorter, then is obviously it is faster. This is the basic about the OOP, that what is the OOP. And what is the OOP? OOP is the object-oriented programming, and in this we create the object for the certain class. And now in our next lecture, we will learn about what is object and what is class. And this is the basically the basic intro of the OOP. You don't have to any need to focus on that OOP, but you just have to read the intro of the OOP, that what is OOP and why we use the OOP, and what is the benefit or advantages of the OOP. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and connect with us for our next videos. Allah Hafiz.